Welcome to my YouTube channel Vintage US Coins. Today we are taking a deep and complete journey into the history, design, background, symbolism, production, condition, and collector value of the 1-cent coin from the year 1919. This coin is widely known as the 1919 Lincoln wheat penny. At first glance it may appear small and simple. It is made of copper. It carries a modest denomination. It was used in everyday transactions. But behind this small coin stands a powerful story of American leadership, post-war recovery, economic transition, and lasting national identity. To understand the importance of the 1919 1-cent coin, we must first understand the beginning of the Lincoln cent series. The Lincoln cent was introduced in 1909. It was created to celebrate the 100th anniversary of Abraham Lincoln's birth. Lincoln was born in 1809. By 1909, he had already become one of the most respected presidents in American history. Before 1909, United States coins did not feature real historical figures on regular circulating coinage. Most coins displayed symbolic images such as Lady Liberty. The decision to place Abraham Lincoln on the 1-cent coin marked a major change in American coin design tradition. It showed national respect and admiration for his leadership. Lincoln was the 16th President of the United States. He led the nation during the Civil War. He preserved the Union. He issued the Emancipation Proclamation. He remains a symbol of unity, equality, and strength. The design of the Lincoln cent was created by Victor David Brenner. His initials originally appeared prominently on the reverse of the 1909 coins. After public debates, the initials were reduced in size and repositioned. Now let us carefully examine the obverse of the 1919 Lincoln wheat penny. On the front of the coins, you will see the right-facing portrait of Abraham Lincoln. His expression appears calm, thoughtful, and serious. The design captures dignity and quiet strength. Above Lincoln's head appears the national motto, "In God We Trust." To the left of the portrait is the word liberty. To the right is the date 1919. These inscriptions represent core American values. Liberty reflects freedom and independence. In God We Trust reflects faith and national tradition. The date connects the coin to a very specific moment in history. Now let us turn to the reverse side. The reverse of the 1919 penny features two wheat stalks, one on each side of the design. Because of this design, the coin is commonly called the wheat penny or wheat cent. Between the wheat stalks appear the words 1 cent and United States of America. Above that is the Latin motto E pluribus unum, which means out of many one. The wheat stalks symbolize agriculture and prosperity. In the early 20th century, agriculture played a vital role in the American economy. The wheat design reflects growth, productivity, and national strength. Now let us discuss the historical context of the year 1919. The year 1919 came immediately after the end of World War I. The war officially ended in November 1918. The world was adjusting to peace after years of global conflict. American soldiers were returning home. Factories that had been producing war supplies were shifting back to civilian production. Communities were rebuilding. At the same time, the year 1919 was not free from challenges. There were labor strikes across the country. Economic adjustments created uncertainty. There were debates over the Treaty of Versailles and the League of Nations. The Red Scare began during this period. Political tension and fear of radical movements increased. The 1919 penny circulated during this complex and transformative time. It passed through the hands of workers, farmers, shopkeepers, and families adjusting to a new era. Every small copper coin carried the image of Lincoln, a leader who had once guided the nation through crisis. That image may have provided quiet reassurance during uncertain times. Now let us talk about the composition of the 1919 Lincoln wheat penny. The coin is made primarily of copper. It contains 95% copper and a small percentage of tin and zinc. When freshly minted, the coin has a bright red appearance. Over time, copper reacts with air and moisture. This natural process changes the color of the coin. Collectors classify copper pennies by color. Red coins retain most of their original mint color. Red-brown coins show partial color change. Brown coins have fully toned surfaces. Red coins in high grades are generally more valuable. Brown coins are more common but still collectible. The 1919 penny was minted at 3 different locations. Philadelphia produced the largest number of coins. Philadelphia coins do not carry a mint mark. Denver also produced coins that year. Denver coins carry a small D mint mark below the date. San Francisco produced coins with an S mint mark below the date. Mintage numbers varied. Philadelphia minted the highest quantity. Denver and San Francisco produced fewer coins. Because of lower mintages, coins from Denver and San Francisco can be more desirable, especially in higher grades. Now let us discuss condition and grading. When evaluating a 1919 penny, collectors examine wear and detail. Key areas include Lincoln's cheek, jawline, and hair. On the reverse, the wheat stalks and lettering are carefully inspected. In heavily circulated condition, the coin shows smooth surfaces and worn details. In moderately circulated condition, some detail remains visible. In uncirculated condition, the coin shows no wear and retains mint luster. Mint state coins are graded on a scale. Higher grades indicate stronger detail, fewer marks, and better eye appeals. As always, cleaning a coin is not recommended. Cleaning removes natural surfaces and reduces value. Collectors prefer original, untouched coins. Now let us discuss value. The 1919 Lincoln wheat penny is not considered extremely rare. However, it is over 100 years old. That alone gives it historical importance. Circulated examples are affordable for most collectors. Uncirculated examples with strong red color can be significantly more valuable. Denver and San Francisco mint coins in high grade often command stronger premiums. The Lincoln Wheat series continued from 1909 until 1958. In 1959, the reverse design changed to the Lincoln Memorial. Because of its long production period, many collectors aim to build a complete wheat penny set. The 1919 issue is an essential part of that collection. For many people, finding a wheat penny in pocket change is an exciting experience. It connects them to the past. It sparks curiosity about history. The 1919 penny specifically connects us to the post-World War I generation. It represents recovery, adjustment, and resilience. When you hold a 1919 1-cent coin, you are holding a piece of early 20th century America. You are touching a coin that may have circulated during a time of social change and economic rebuilding. You are holding a tribute to Abraham Lincoln, whose leadership preserved the Union and redefined freedom. Coins are small objects, but they survive wars, economic crises, and generational change. They travel through decades quietly. The 1919 Lincoln wheat penny remains a powerful symbol of endurance. It reflects American agriculture through its wheat design. It reflects American leadership through Lincoln's portrait. It reflects American unity through the words E pluribus unum. At Vintage U.S. Coins, we believe every coin tells a story. Some stories are rare and dramatic. Others are common yet deeply meaningful. The 1919 1-cent coin may be small, but its story is large. It stands at the crossroads between war and peace, between uncertainty and hope, between the 19th century and the modern 20th century. If you enjoyed this deep exploration of the 1919 Lincoln wheat penny, make sure to like this video. Subscribe to Vintage US Coins for more detailed coin history and collector insights. And share in the comments whether you have a 1919 penny in your collection. Thank you for watching.